Smartie! Hello, little friends. Today, we're going on an adventure right here in the kitchen. We're going to learn the names of all the things we find in a kitchen. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, this is a plate. Can you say plate? Plate. We use it for eating our yummy meals. Look, this is a fork. Forks help us pick up our food. Let's say fork together. And this shiny friend is a spoon. We use spoons to scoop up things like soup or cereal. Spoon. Here, we have a cup. Cups hold our drinks. My favorite is a hot chocolate. What's yours? Cup. This big appliance is called a fridge. It keeps our food cold and fresh. Say fridge. Over here, we have a table where we eat our meals. Can you tap your hand on a table and say, table? And this is a chair. Chairs are where we sit down to eat or rest. Chair, can you say it with me? This machine is a microwave. It helps us heat up our food super fast. Microwave, let's say it together. This is the oven. It's where we bake delicious cookies and cakes. Say oven with me. Remember, little ones, never use the oven without an adult. Safety first. Here's the sink. It's where we wash our dishes and hands. Say sink as you imagine splashing water. This is a bowl. We use it to mix yummy ingredients for cakes and salads. Say bowl and pretend to stir. This is a pan. We use it to fry eggs and cook pancakes. Say pan and imagine sizzling sounds. Look, it's a toaster. We use it to make crispy toast for breakfast. Say toaster and imagine popping toast. This is a sponge. We use it to clean our dishes and wipe the counters. Say sponge and pretend to scrub. Here's a broom. We use it to sweep up crumbs and keep our kitchen clean. Say broom and swish like a broom. This is a garbage can. We use it to throw away things we don't need anymore. Say garbage can and pretend to toss something away. Look, it's a glass. We use it to drink refreshing juice or water. Say glass and pretend to take a sip. This is a knife. We use it to cut fruits and vegetables for cooking. Say knife and make a slicing motion. Knives are sharp and can be dangerous. Let's leave them to the grown-ups, okay? Here's a jug. We use it to pour yummy drinks like milk or juice. Say jug and imagine pouring. This is a chopping board. We use it to chop fruits and vegetables safely. Say chopping board and pretend to chop. Great job, everyone! You've learned so many new words today. Kitchen items are fun to learn about, aren't they? Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. See you next time for more fun and learning.